We have the clock in either way. We also have done in reverse. So, kung sabihin ng Panginoon na marami ka pang bagay na hindi nagawa before your time is up. But this is in either way yung clock natin. Kasi baka yung nangyari dito is parang nagdadalawang isip yung Diyos kung kukunin ka ba niya or hindi agad. Kasi may mga bagay ka pang hindi nagampanan. We have the world in reverse. We also have forgive. Hinihintay ng Diyos na magpatawad ka kasi kung hindi ka nagpatawad, ito'y nag-hold back sa'yo to go to heaven if your time is up. So, binibigyan ka pa ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na gawin itong bagay na to before He end your life. And we have the diamond. So, gusto niya sabihin sa'yo na huwag ka na maging focus on money making kasi mahalaga rin na mag-focus ka to align your life for your soul. You need to have forgiveness at saka mag-let go ka na ng grudges that you have within because that's holding you back from going to heaven. We also have this one. And we also got this as well. So, marahil yung kinainisan nyo ay may nagnakaw siguro ng inyong kayamanan. At I'm sensing na parang hindi nyo in-expect na somebody will betray you before. At nalulungkot ka kasi hanggang hindi mo pa rin matanggap. Marahil kasi kung naman yung nanakaw sa'yo before, ito ay talagang tunay mong kayamanan na nawala sa'yo. But God is asking you to forgive. Para maging ready na yung iyong soul. Okay, so anyway, that's it everyone with today's message. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless all of you.